Hello everyone, this is Bill the Shed here, and today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite things about Linux, and probably the reason you could probably use to switch over, and that is package management. Package management is one of my favorite benefits about Linux. Like, instead of having to go on the web and find a .exe file or .dmg slash .pkg file for Mac and Windows, on Linux, you can either, if you're on like Debian based distributions, you could download a .db or if you're on a OpenSUSE or Red Hat based distro like Fedora, you can download .rpm file. But mostly, I think one of the cool things about Linux is you can literally just download any package you want from the command line. Well, most of them. I'm going to show you with Arch, and maybe I could show you at some point with maybe another distro. Who knows? Let's get right into it. So here we are on my basically a blank desktop. Yeah, I switched the background to an old picture that gives me nostalgia. So let me just press my key bindings to pull up a terminal. Basically, I usually have it like this, or actually more in depth. Alacrity over here, couple cool retro terms over here, but for this, we're just going to do this. So, basically, on Linux, one of the cool things you can do is like first of all, you got to know the repos of the distro you're using. There's not every distro is going to have something like well, most distros have NeoFetch in their repos. Like you could do sudo pacman-s neofetch, and look, it's already updated, and you just press Y. But for now, just press no. So, first of all, different distributions have their own different command line package managers. Debian and Ubuntu based distributions. Ubuntu is actually Debian based, by the way. Use apt. Apt, so if you would want to install a package, you do sudo apt install, let's say, neofetch. We'll use neofetch as a prime example here, because neofetch is widely used. If you're on something like, if you're on a Red Hat based distro, you do sudo dnf install, I think, if I'm right. And you type, and then you put neofetch, I think. I believe for OpenSUSE, you do zipper install, sudo zipper install neofetch, and then you get. And then for Arch, which is what I use, and it's based, and the distribution is based off of like Manjaro, Garuda, and those other distros such as Arco, you do sudo pacman-s neofetch. And another thing about Arch, you got something called the Arch user repository, which also means there's less packages in like the repo, like in the pacman repos, than like let's say apt. As you can't just do sudo pacman-s only one, which is basically like a program. Like I could show you it. Like, in fact, let me just go into my fourth one. Just do like it's a fake hacker program, basically. So basically, for example, on Arch, it's not in the official repositories. So what you'd have to do is you'd have to do git clone. You'd have to git clone https //AUR. You'd have to copy the link to the AUR .archlinux.org / name of the package. So, for example, Hollywood.git. So you just let me just do an ls I should have it. Yeah, it's over here. Now let's just do an ls no Hollywood. And there's a package build file. Then you go to ls Hollywood. No. No, you'd cd into Hollywood. You do make package.si. And it make the package for you. I'm not going to do that, of course, because I already have it, as I've obviously shown you. So let's just cd back to our normal directory. So, and just screw it. Let's just arm-rf Hollywood. See, it's no longer there. So, let's just do that. And for another distro like Gentoo, you do sudo emerge, not portage, emerge dash ask, I think, and name the package. Like, I think it'd be neofetch. Like, package managers are a cool thing on Linux. You can get practically anything you want. Oh, another thing I forgot about the AR. You have such things such as known as AR helpers. For example, I use Yay. Like, for example, I'm not going to update exactly right here. Although I got to do something. Okay, back. So, basically, like AR, like stuff like Yay allows you to, makes it easier to like get packages from like AUR. So instead of having to type out like the 2 lines of 2 commands you'd have to type out, you just do yay -s and the name of the package. So Hollywood. And of course, most of them will just ask you that. So I'm just going to do AB for abort. Clear. So basically, I just explained some package managers overall. And why I think they're positive. You can easily install packages without having to go on Google and search for the website, etc. And then just click install through all these ads, and then click on it again. I do this through the TTY. Package managers also look cool, anyways. So this build shed is quite a short one. Also, sorry that I wasn't able to upload video yesterday. I did not have time to make a video yesterday. I'll try to double upload tomorrow to make up for it. See you next time, fellas. See ya.